I would surely appreciate it if you subscribe and watch. It's much appreciated. I'm in Pasacao. You get the kids swimming there in this water. Honestly, I don't think I would. But it's good. It's good if they are used to it. Get the incoming boat. This is what's fascinating for me. Is now how they have to travel. Some of those people live in villages there's no road access, so they use a bunker. It's a boat, and they come to town. They get all their stuff, put it on a bunker, and then they go back home. Fascinating. Amazing. Simply amazing. And check this. Those bunkers are quite amazing. The way they make it with the bamboo on the sides. It's just something amazing. Pasacao. And there's another one coming. Check that one. Seems to be a bit bigger. He won't probably stop next to this one. Just check it out. Welcome to the Philippines. Thank you for pressing the thumbs up button, guys. Much appreciated. It does help my channel. seeing this is just something special, guys. Not everybody can do those things. This is why the Philippines is a special place, you know. People are happy with everything. They're not sulking. Makes it so good to be here. This is actually people staying there. Look at that. That's their houses. They're right on the beach. Maybe I need to go take a seat. Hey guys, just put in the comment there where you guys are from and what do you think about the Philippines. Have you ever been here? Thank you for watching. Thank you for pressing the thumbs up. If you want, subscribe. I do raw videos of the Philippines. No sugarcoating, no nothing. Yeah, it's quite a shock for some people when they come here, but for me it's quite okay. For me it's quite normal to be here now. I'm used to it. It is quite an amazing place. Just don't you get all the stuff. Your own kids playing on the boats. They're having fun. Perhaps I can walk to the other side. Look at the cats. Check this out. Probably coming to get some food. And there's a lot of fish and stuff on the floor there. Obviously raining at you can see on the ocean. Big rain over there. They don't get, he knows how to anchor the boat. Check this kid. Ah, yakka small. He's very strong. Checking, pushing the boat back. You put the anchor in. Yeah, he's good. He knows what to do. He's probably been doing it for a long time. see, they're buying all their goods and then they take it they take it in. They won't take it home on the bunker because they probably stay in Suminabang or somewhere where there's no road access. Amazing. And then you see over there some guys fishing. Yeah, on the rocks. I hope they catch something. You got the cats, they're eating rubbish there. Which I wouldn't think is entirely good, but yeah. Hey Maarten, hoe gaan het daar met jou? Gaan het goed? Kom cat. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. That's good. Much appreciated. Dus ja, kan mij niet meer dat niet. It, and you see beside all the trash on the beach and all the stuff. It's magic, pure magic. I think they're saying Suminabang. There's no road, so they have to use a boat. I enjoy to see the guy fishing. He's doing his thing. I'll show you all in a minute. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Also watch my videos. Share it. If you got any questions, just make sure to put it in the comments. If you want to know about the Philippines, especially the rope. This is where people do their thing. Check it. It's strong. maybe if you want, I can change the view a bit. Just put it in the comments. I'll be happy to move. Someone fishing over there. I don't know if he's caught something. Maybe I must go and ask. Getting some fuel. Okay, let's change the view a bit. We take a walk to the other side. Not far, just the other side. Okay, now we're gonna walk over there and we can take it further. Some water, I don't know what's happening here, but there's like water running and it goes straight to the beach here. I'm not gonna cross this water, to be honest with you. Change the viewpoint. Set it over here. Let's see what's happening. See, this is like basically where everybody comes that don't have road access. They come here with their boats, called a bangka in the Philippines, and they get their stuff in town. From here they will move out again and they go to wherever they stay. It's not an easy life, I can tell you that, because now they have to carry those bags through the jungle to their houses. And I mean, they're happy, they don't do it every day, they come in maybe once a week and they create all their things. from here on out, they won't head to the beach. On the other side of the mountains over there, they have to go home, take on their groceries. Yeah. The reality of being in the province, you don't always have road access. Hey, kamusta nene? Huh? The kids are so shy. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Sugarcoat things. I show everybody the way it is, and for the most part, it's good. It's expats coming here because it's not up to their standard, you know. But for me, I just have to be used to like noise and stuff. But otherwise, in there, it's calm. People are just doing their day-to-day things. Like this, for instance. You see, they came in here, they got their groceries, now they're heading out again. They won't go home. From their home, they won't walk through the jungle with all their groceries and their rice and everything they bought, and they won't come back maybe in 1 week. I don't think they come in every day. Look at that guy, he's sleeping in his boat. Right there. Take those dogs. They're having their fun. So yeah, guys, put in the comments if you want to come here, if you would like to visit these areas. Put in the comments what you think of the Philippines, where you're from. Perhaps maybe also press the thumbs up button for me. Also share it. I can tell you on one thing, the way of living here is way different than what other people are used to. I don't think most people would be able to survive here. I mean, surely the Philippines do have beautiful areas. I mean, there's absolutely beautiful places here. Tourists don't come here because, let's face it, I mean, it's a bit dirty and, you know, it's not really made for tourists. But I enjoy it. I enjoy to see the raw Philippines. The Philippines that other people don't see. mean, feel free to ask me anything, guys. Just ask. Put it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the Philippines. Let's talk about your country. I'm from South Africa, currently in the Philippines, and yeah, not everybody's cup of tea, but I think it's absolutely amazing. You'll find your good people here, you won't find your bad people here. You find rude people, you find friendly people. Same as everywhere else. But for the most part, I would say people are friendly. So yeah, press the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. I mean, sometimes you can come here, some people wouldn't greet you, but for the most part, people are friendly. I also think it's because they can't speak English. And also, I think some people think it's just judgment, you know, but it's not. Is he taking the groceries, going to another area where I don't have access of road? This is just amazing. Check that. Hey guys, put in the comments there where you're from. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of my journey. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It really does support me. And yeah, I'm thankful. Thank you all. Put in the comments where you're watching from. It's always interesting to know from what countries you are from. We put it down here so it's nice and smooth. And this is the daily life of people here. Sometimes they're a bit shy because of the English barrier, but not always. Not always. Now there's Daru Anak, the irons at the back. Sorry. Oh, just change the view again. Let's watch it with this side. Now, I think this is a better viewpoint over here. I enjoy to see how they do their things, you know, you're hearing the bancas. It's just amazing. Put this down. I think those guys are done fishing though. Those doggies. I think most of them are from Suminabang. I'm not even sure. just move on that side again. Check this doors. That mafia guy. Oh, sorry. Then you get on the dirt. You get the beauty behind it. Okay, let's move that side. En ook van als de icon toe gaan. Hierdie kant is nou 'n bietjie droog, dan kan ons gaan daarso by die wat se naam by kyk as weer die boot gaan. Dan kan ons in die dorp gaan en dan van daar af as kan ons nog verder vat. Want dit is nou sommer hoe dit is. They stay in peace. They stay in peace. That it doesn't fall. Oké, ek dink ons gaan nou aanbeweeg. Ons kan naar de andere kant toe gaan, dan kunnen we het maar weer doen. Zoals je kan zien, die kinderen is maar een beetje skaam. Maar dat is oké. That's okay. There's just such beauty that other people don't seem to understand. There's also that I don't understand it is that make sure to watch the videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.